Welcome students to the online class Standard 10th Subject Computer. Lesson number 1, the fundamental of flash. Okay, student will understand the further part of the flash that we are going to see today in this slide. Okay, so we'll see the starting of flash, understanding the timeline. We'll do the setting everything in this slide. So starting with introduction part of flash. So as you can see, this is the screen you're going to see on your desktop or whichever device you're going to use. Okay, once you start with your flash. Okay, so flash, as we have studied earlier, that flash is nothing but it is a software which is been invented by Adobe company, and the version which we are going to use here is CS6. Okay, so flash is a multimedia software which is been used to do animations with rich web application, desktop, mobile app, mobile games, and embedded web browser, video player. Okay, so these are the things which we can do with this software. And the screen which you can see here is been going to display as you're going to start with your flash software. Okay, same screen you're going to see. The next topic comes, student, here is how to start the flash. Okay, once when you install the flash in your system, so you can go to the start and click there. All the programs will be displayed. Select the program of flash, click onto it, the software will be open. Or directly when you're going to install the software on your desktop, it will appear, the icon of the software will appear on your desktop. Go there and directly double click onto it, the software will be open. So this is the two step or two method by which you can open your flash software. So student, when we are going to start the software, we will see a window as you can see in the slide. So this window is known as starting screen. Okay, the very first window which you are going to see is this screen. Okay, and another below the first screen, as you can see here, they have labeled with numbers of names. So these are the parts which you are going to use while using your flash software. So student, once the first screen appears on your desktop, you have to click on to action script 3.0 in create new section. Okay, then go into new movie file and it gets created there. This is the default screen for a new movie. Now student, alternately you choose the new file from file menu bar. Okay, below each and every part is been given of your window. As you can see, menu bar, toolbox, stage, timeline, property panel. So by using all this thing, you're going to modify your flash video or flash clips created by you all. Okay, student, as you can see in the above slide, the window which you can see here is appear when you do setting to your flash stage. So how to do the setting if you want to modify the size of the flash stage? So first you have to go into the modify menu and choose document. Then you have to select measuring unit from the ruler unit list box, and then once the dialog box appear, as you can see in the above slide, you have to go into the height width section and you have to type the units according to your choice and click on OK. Once you done with all these steps, your stage size will be changed according to the width and height you have added over there. Okay, so student, next we are going to see or we are going to understand the flash timeline. So student, the flash timeline contains frames, layers, playhead and status, as you can see in the above slide. Okay, so timeline is used to organize and control your project. So starting with the layer helps to organize the work, create scene and add sound to your project or your work. Okay, the length of time in a flash project are divided into frames, which helps to control the work. Okay, now starting with the frame number, as we create numbers of frame, so we have to give numbers to each frame. So starting with the frame number appears in a chronological order at the header, that is at the top of your timeline. Now next come your student playhead. Playhead indicates the current frame displays on stage. The playhead moves from left to right and by default stop where framework ends. Okay, next comes status. Now status means what? Which frame is working, how for how much time, or which frame number. This status will give you the update. Okay, so status indicate the selected frame number, current frame, and estimated time required by the frame. Okay students, so all these options are there on your frame software, as you can see in the above slide. As we go to the flash timeline, all these options we are going to get there. Okay, next comes your show or hide layer. As you can see in the above slide, I have labeled the icon of show or hide layer. It is a small icon on timeline window. It is used to hide graphics or drawing on the stage. Okay, the next comes your lock or unlock all layer. It is used to lock layer and secure the animations. And show all layer is an outline. When activated, only outlines of the drawing are seen on the stage. Okay, thank you.